Okay, so we got a new one of these for a 2005 Pathfinder because, as you see by this upper window, ours is hanging down. So on this car, the third brake light kind of sits right here. The problem is when you open up this thing, it's kind of right in the way. So if you throw something too big and it hits it, it could really snap it off like it did there and down there. They're just, as you can see, like the tabs are still here. And we just gotta zip them off and unclip it and get that one on. All right, whoops.
Daddy, I found
One. This should be very quick and easy. Oh. There we go. Garbage. Now we're going to get this placed up in here first. See, this one's, there we go, like that. Okay, it's a little bit on there.
Is that? Daddy, we need some
Got a
butter.
very weak setting on my drill right now, but this thing definitely is not meant to have any real torque on it. Let's try just a little bit more. Oh yeah, there's a little bit more power. All right, that ain't going anywhere. Turn it off. No, not yet. We have to plug it in. Right here.
Probably would have plugged it in before installing it, but that's okay.
Now, the only thing that's still left is, see these trim pieces right here? When these got pulled out, they got pushed out. So you might have to do that if you're replacing one just because it's cracked or not working. But, I mean, really, we can just leave it as is. But if we're gonna try to pop it in back into place if we can real quick. And then, but that's all there is to it.